In this video, let us see the 8th and the 9th problem from the exercise. The 8th problem says, water in a canal 6 meters wide and 1.5 meters deep is flowing with a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeters of standing water is needed? So you have a canal here, okay, and this canal is in the shape of a cuboid. How do you know that? Because it is given, it is 6 meters wide and deep, or the height is 1.5 meters. Okay, so this canal is in the form of a cuboid and the water is flowing from this canal into the speed, okay, into this field at the speed of 10 kilometers per hour. So in 1 hour, 10 kilometers, with the speed of 10 kilometers, the water is flowing into this field. Now you have to find out how much area. So area means, you know, it's two-dimensional. So how much area of this field is irrigated, okay, in 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes you have to find out how much area of this field is irrigated if 8 centimeters of standing water is needed. So you have to find how much area of this field is irrigated such that at a time there should be 8 centimeters standing water. Means what? So water should be, the level of water in this should be 8 centimeters. Okay, means what? The height of water in this field should be 8 centimeters. So that is what is the meaning of 8 centimeters of standing water. Now let us see how we can solve this. Now as I told you, this canal is in the shape of a cuboid and the breadth is 6 meters and height is 1.5 meters. Now we are given that the speed of water in the canal is 10 kilometers per hour. So now from this we can find the distance, okay, what is the distance or length of water in this canal, okay. Distance is nothing but length of water which is there in this canal. So speed is distance upon time. Speed is given to be 10 kilometers per hour. So 10 kilometers, distance is we don't know, and time is 1 hour. So your distance is covered, the distance or length that is covered in 1 hour is 10 kilometers. Okay, so in this the length of the canal is covered in 1 hour is 10 kilometers. So what length will be covered in 60 minutes then? In 60 minutes, 10 kilometers. 1 hour is same as 60 minutes. So length covered in 60 minutes, it's 10 kilometers. Okay, so if in 60 minutes this is the length covered, then what will be the length covered in 1 minute? It is 10 upon 60, which is 1 upon 6 kilometers. Okay, so in 1 minute the length that is covered here is 1 upon 60, 1 upon 6 kilometers. So what will be the length covered in 30 minutes then? It will be 1 upon 60 multiplied by 30, which is 5 kilometers. Okay, which is nothing but, if I want to convert this to meters, it will be 5 into 1000, which is 5000 meters. So in 30 minutes the length that is covered in 30 minutes, the length that is covered here is 5000 meters. So we are asked to find how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes. So we are keeping the time as 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, how much length is covered here of water here? It is 5000 meters. Now let us find the volume of the canal, because we have got the length, breadth and height. So volume of the canal is 5000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 1.5, which is 45,000 meter cube. Now whatever water is there here is irrigated into the field. So volume of water in this canal, or volume of the canal, will be equal to volume of the area irrigated here, correct? So volume of the canal will be equal to volume of the field here. Okay, So that is volume of water in the canal will be equal to volume formula. This is also in the form of a cuboid, right? So volume of this field is what? Length into breadth into height. Now you know that length into breadth is nothing but area, correct? It is not, so when you find volume, you already have the area and you increase one dimension to it. So you add height to it, so you get the volume. So volume has 3 dimensions. So here when I say length into breadth into height, this is your area. So it is area multiplied by height. So volume of water in the canal will be equal to area irrigated or area of the field multiplied by height. Volume of the canal we have already found as 45,000 meter cube equal to area irrigated multiplied by 8 centimeters is the height of water, which is said here. The water which should be there is standing water which should be there is 8 centimeters, right? So we have to take the height of the field as 8 centimeters. So now you have here area irrigated multiplied by, now all the other quantities are in meters. So we have to convert it into meters. So here 8 centimeters we are converting to meters by dividing this by 100. So we have here area irrigated is equal to, now we want to find this quantity, so we have to transfer this on the other side. So when I transfer this on the other side, you know that if you have here A upon B equal to C, okay, and if you want to transfer this term on the other side, then it will be B upon A, right? So it will be reciprocal because it is multiplied here. When you take it on the other side, it is the reciprocal of this. So we get here 45,000. This term will go on top, so multiplied by 100, the whole upon this term will come down, which is 8. So area irrigated is equal to this. Now let us find out. After solving everything, you get this as 5,62,500 meters square. So this is the area of water which is irrigated. Now I want to convert this meters into hectares. So how will I do this? You know, 100 meters is 1 hectare. Okay, so 100 meter is 1 hectare. So to convert from meter to hectare, we have to divide by 100. But if you see here, you have meter square, correct? So since meter square it is, you will have to divide by 100 2 times. So it is 1 upon 100 the whole square because it is meter square. So you have to divide by 100 2 times. So it is 562,500 the whole upon 100 multiplied by 100 twice because it is meter square hectares. So it is 56.25 hectares.